everyone. Let's take a look at Cinematron. Cinematron is a website where the users can post questions related to any movie of their choice, and any user that uses the platform can answer any questions of their choice as well, and can also upvote a question and upvote the answers as well. As we take a look at Cinematron, you will get an idea of what the website actually is. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly sign up and log in, and we shall take a look at what's next. So this is the homepage of Cinematron, where the user currently we are signed in as Dr. Strange. As you can see here, the profile picture says it on, and we can also go ahead and see. So you will notice that there's only three tabs right here: home, which we are currently in, and we have my account, which is basically the credentials, payment, and all of that sort lies in that category or that particular tab. As you can see here, we have all the personal details, login credentials, and payment and notifications, and all of that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and quickly go back to home. So currently we are in the home page of Cinematron, as you can see, and we are logged in as Dr. Strange. And Dr. Strange is a standard user, meaning he's a regular user who can ask any question, and he can also answer any question that is there on the website. So let's take a look at one of the questions. Let's take a look at the first question itself. The first question is posted by Hulk Avenger, and he asks, do comic characters sometimes get drawn like the actors playing them? It is quite an interesting question, and this question has three upvotes. Dr. Strange can also upvote the question so that the question can rank in the highest position on the page, on the questions page. And this question also has three answers. So as you can see, we just upvoted the question. Dr. Strange upvoted the question and got it to 4. And this particular question also has three answers from Iron Man, one answer from Iron Man, another from Black Widow, and another from Thor, which is really, really cool. And let's go ahead and upvote Black Widow's answer because it is really relevant to the question. Let's go ahead and upvote, and we got it to 3. So let's go ahead and go back a tab. I'm going to go to this small arrow at the corner and clicking on a home. This way also it gets me back to the home page where we first initially started, which is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and see if Dr. Strange can answer any question. So I'm going to pick the second question. Iron Man anime movie featuring Punisher, Hawkeye, ... and the dot is and Black Widow. Okay, let's go ahead and upload this because it is quite interesting. And I'm going to put in my answer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on answer, and I'm going to type in here. And let's go ahead and click save so that it automatically locks in over here, and it is, which is pretty cool. So I have put in one answer related to this question. So let's go ahead and go back a page. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do. I mentioned that we can add a question, so let's go ahead and do that. So go ahead and click on add to add, or that is to create a question. We have 3 particular blocks. That is, we have the title, we have the description, and we have tags. So let's go ahead and put in all of them. So I have my title and I have my description. So let's go ahead and put in tag. Since this is Thor related, so let's go ahead and search for Thor. is right here, and another tag. Let's do Marvel Universe, and let's do another tag. Um, let's do Avenger. Let's also add in comics, since it is obviously comic. Okay, so we have four different tags. We have Thor, Avenger, Comic, and Marvel Universe. So let's go ahead and create a question and let's see what happens. So our question is added to the page and let's see. Okay, our question is right towards the end because it has no words and we just posted it. So it's right at the bottom. So yeah, so let's go ahead and click on it. So since we are the creator of the question, our name is right here and we do not have the upward, otherwise that would be cheating. So we also have the three dots, which basically is for edit. We can edit it and yeah, it's pretty cool. And there's no answer because we just posted the question. So let's go ahead and go back to form. So let's go ahead and take a look at my questions. We definitely posted one question. Let's take a look at that. So there we have it. We have our one question that we just posted. And we also have tags, which basically helps you know that how many questions are related to that particular tag. This is pretty cool. So the other features on the website is upvote, as we have seen earlier. We have upvoted two questions. Let's go ahead and see how it actually works. So yeah, so this question, these three questions actually have like upvote of that number 3, and this one has 4. So let's go ahead and see if this question deserves an upvote. And the question is, what is the difference between Marvel's Ultimate Universe and the Cinematic Universe? Okay, that's really a good question. And we have an answer from Thor himself, which is pretty cool. Yeah, this question deserves a upvote. And we have given upvote, it's gone to 4. So let's go ahead and see if it has raised in rank. Going back to the home page. Okay, we have indeed given a raise to the question, which is really cool. So these are all the features that a standard user or a regular user can use on daily basis when they use this website, when they use Cinematron. Cinematron is a really cool website. You can share questions and upvote, and you can answer other people's questions as well, which is really cool.